What's up guys? In this video I'm going to teach you how to use Jupyter Notebooks. This is a very funny and nice way to program, and yeah, let's do it. So what do we need in order to use Jupyter Notebooks? The way I do it is using Anaconda. So for that, as I told you in the first video of the Python course, you just have to go here and install Anaconda for Windows or Python or Linux or whatever. So here you just go there, Anaconda, download, and then you just download this executable, you execute it, and you install it. It's pretty simple. But once we have that installed, how do we use the Jupyter Notebook? How do we open a Jupyter Notebook? So we go here, and as you can see, I already searched for this, but if you put here Jupy, for example, you have here Jupyter Notebooks. You open the application and automatically it creates a server, something like a server. So now here you have all your files of your computer. And for example, we can go here to the desktop and I can create a new notebook. So I click here on new, Python 3, and let's give it a name, and I will show you that it is saved in your computer. So here is where you give it a name, and let's call this example, and yeah, I think that now is already saved. So as you can see, Jupyter Notebook created two files. The first one, which is the notebook, and this one, which is used in order to check where are you and what are you executing, etc. So this is the notebook, and the thing about notebooks is that they are very visual. So for example, we can do this. Let's do a simple program. So in this program, we are just going to do operations. So let's create the variable a and put here a 4. So now, if we execute this cell, nothing happens because we just assigned a value. But here, what we can do is that, hey, I want to see the value of a. I execute this, and the output shown here is the value of 8. Another cool thing is that you can use these cells for putting nice comments. And what I mean with nice comments is that they use Markdown, the Markdown format. So look, you just go here, you try to insert a cell above the one you have selected, and now this cell is going to be our markdown, which is a comment. So for example, here with this we can put a title and saying that assigning a value. In this cell we are going to assign a value to a variable. So now you have a nice comment, and as you can see here, this is very visual. You know that, hey, assigning a value, okay, and now here I'm assigning a value. Here we can insert another cell above, and yeah, we can make this one another nice comment, and we can show this bigger by putting less hashtags, and we can say showing the value. We do this, and now we have here this cell that shows the value. So we can keep inserting cells below and doing more things. So for example, now a is going to be a plus 10 by 8 divided by 7 plus 69. So we don't know the value of this. And for example, we can put here a cell above, and we can make this a nice comment again, and we can put computing a value and showing the value. So now we can put in the same cell this, and we just run it. We are going to run this as well, and yeah, we have now this result. So as you can see, it is very simple. This video was very short, but it is a very nice way to program, and if you want to show something to someone, you can use this. Like, of course, we haven't done anything here, but you can create amazing programs, and you can basically do the same things that you do in a file, but you do them here, showing that, hey, look, this is what I'm doing, etc. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the way of programming. And yeah, see you in the next one. Give it a like, share, subscribe, and see ya. Don't forget to go and check my website in which I talk about trading and cryptocurrencies and all that stuff for a very cheap price.
Damn, Sosa. You going crazy.
Quédate tranquilo, si estoy bajando todo, lo siento, te quedas en nada. Este impacto